arrived at our destination.
Oh, I farted.
Oh, you barely got it.
I guess.
On the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Dude, your girlfriend is so groovy, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band. Ay.
Okay, so what exactly are we gonna fish for?
Oh, trout.
But no, we gotta do catfish too, because trout's not.
Well, yeah,
not
you
just
said you
trout.
wanted to get wieners for that.
Yeah, we need wieners and cheese.
They don't have wieners and cheese here.
They do. They have cheese right here, jackass.
How's that cheese?
Nigga, it says catfish dip bait.
Oh, so
Cheese.
right there.
That's what we want. You gotta back up a little bit. Yeah. Hey. Hey.
Trout dip.
You got it?
Yep.
I almost forgot about my Cinnabons. Thanks, Bobby.
You're welcome.
Well, why? Because I wasn't recording.
Oh.
But we got all of our poles. We got some open water.
Yeah.
Trying not to let the light touch it. We're catching some trophies. Right, Bobs?
Dude, I thought something was really in that trash can.
There's a rat, bro, in that trash can.
Scared the fuck out of me.
Way over there. You can't even see it. Aaron and I right now are headed to a different spot. You can't see shit. It's dark as hell. We didn't catch anything, but we've been getting bites.
Yeah.
Decent bites.